Welcome back to House Smarts. Now we're going to talk about insulating your outside walls, the exterior of your home. Up until this point, what you were able to put inside the walls was a hit or miss proposition. That's no longer the case with a brand new product called Airkrete Foam Insulation. It's actually a cementitious insulation that fills the voids and really takes care of those exterior walls and warms up your home. We're talking about saving money on your energy bills. Now, this is something that constantly comes up, but more and more everything rises up. Now, of course, you want to replace your windows. Of course, you want to replace your doors because those are the areas of greatest loss. But what do you do on the exterior walls? So what I'm talking about is blown-in insulation. And today I'm joined by Mike Schmidt. Mike, how are you?
Fine, Lou.
Mike is the owner of Schmidt Exteriors. Now, you guys have been siding and window companies for over 30 years, right?
That is correct.
Now comes this new product. Actually, not new. We were talking the fact that it's been around for 18 years. Tell me a little bit about this Airkrete Foam Insulation.
Airkrete is a blown-up cement. It's air bubbles, and it will completely fill a cavity 100%.
All right, so let's talk about how you actually install this. Does it matter what the home is made of?
Lou, it can be brick, it can be siding. With siding, we take off the horizontal lap siding, 2 sections per floor, drill a hole and drop the wand in as it fills all around the pipes and wires and nails.
All the way around it. It just sort of envelops everything.
That's right.
Now, this is a brick home, so now you're not taking bricks out, right? What do you do here? Drill a hole?
With brick, we have to go where the mortar joints intersect. We drill a 7/8" hole through, put the hose in, fill up the cavity again.
So this is a lot different than kind of the great stuff, that expandable foam that people see in the hardware store. It doesn't get bigger, it doesn't ruin the plaster or the drywall, right?
That's the characteristics that's so unique about Airkrete. It'll fill the cavity without expanding. It will ensure the safety of the plaster and the drywall inside the home.
So what about fire retardancy? What about rodents or even mildew and mold? These are all things that people are concerned with.
Airkrete has great characteristics. You could actually take a torch to this. It will not contribute to smoke, flame. It is totally 100% fireproof. It's mold-proof, it's bug-proof, rodent-proof. It will not expand. It will not settle.
Now, when you're looking at new construction, a lot of people will see fiberglass insulation like this, which is a good insulation. I mean, there's nothing wrong with fiberglass, but you can't retrofit this into a home. And you'll see that in new construction, how like the electrician will come through, or they'll have to put that behind the piping, and whatever R value you got in that thickness of the insulation is diminished by this.
After 1990, they got real conscious about how well they insulated walls. Prior to that, there's many homes that are totally uninsulated.
So then cellulose insulation, which I think a lot of people have heard of, it's a fine product. This looks like it's kind of a blend of mixture of like paper and wool. But look, you can't guarantee, this has always been my knock with the cellulose, is that a lot of older homes, Mike, right, have fire blocking in here or obstructions that are blocking this, and there's no way to ensure that it gets filled up.
That's a major problem with the cellulose.
Okay, so the $64,000 question is, how much does this cost?
Lou, a typical 1-story ranch is about $6,000. A 2-story is about $12,000.
Just really depends on the whole makeup of it and what's involved. And you guys, obviously, being in the siding and window business, know exactly how to put it all back together.
That's our specialty.
Mike Schmidt, Schmidt Exteriors, thanks so much for joining us. It is a new piece of technology that, I mean, I'm excited about because it really makes a difference. And yeah, there's an investment here, but it's an investment that's going to pay you back in spades.